morning, sir.
Good morning.
Now you are 94 years of age. You may be able to give some more instructions as how to be healthy and live long.
Now, before I go to the subject matter, I thought of telling you a story about Andre, the comedian of the royal palace. One day the king was informed that there was a hill in the middle of the country, and from there one could see the beauty of the country from the top of the hill. So the king was interested in seeing it, but he could not go alone, so he called Andre to join him to go to the hilltop. But Andre, knowing his difficulty, he did not like to join the king. However, the king forced him to come with him. If he failed, that he would be punished and sent off the palace. So finally, Andre agreed to climb the hill. Then one day, both of them got prepared for the trip, and they started to climb the hill. But after climbing half of the hill, the king felt tired and he sat on a stone. Then he was very tired and asked Andre to find some way to go to the hilltop. But Andre knew that it was very difficult. However, Andre was forced to find some way. Then what he did was, he abused the king with a shower of filthy words. For this, the king got angry and ran after Andre. So Andre ran in front of the king, and the king, with the sword drawn, ran after Andre. However, by this way, the king reached the top of the hill and fell on the ground due to tiredness. Then Andre took the packet of goods he carried and opened it and gave a drink made out of plants. So the king drank it and was now fit enough to get up. So he got up, and now the king's anger was gone because Andre treated him with a drink. Then the king asked Andre, "Why did you abuse me in such a way?" So Andre said, "I had no way to take you to the top of the hill. So that is why I abused you. I knew that when you are angry, that you would run after me without thinking of the difficulty in going up." So finally, both of them achieved their desired end. So that is what I said, that the most important thing for health is laughing. That is why I say.